Hi kiddos, this is Mrs. Gershon here. This week we're working with words that have two syllables where in the past couple weeks we've been looking at syllables that are broken up after a vowel when there is a vowel consonant vowel, as you can see here in this heading, and it was making that vowel sound short or long as it says here. This week we're going to be looking at words that are broken into two syllables where you have a vowel consonant and then it's broken up after the consonant and you have another vowel and it's actually making a short vowel sound. And then we're going to look at some words that have vowel, double vowels together, then a consonant, then a vowel, and it's making a long vowel sound. So let's go ahead and take a look at our list. I'm going to go through and read the words to you, and then we'll take a look at clapping out our headers and looking at our patterns here. So we have human, river, meeting, lemon, finish, leader, easy, sneaker. Then we have never, pilot, wagon, frozen, student, lazy, second, humor. And our last we have reason, visit, planet, peanut, seven, present, music, and minute. So this week when you are sorting out your words, you're really going to need to probably clap them out so you can hear where the break is in the word when you clap. That way you can tell if we're talking about clapping after a vowel or clapping after a consonant or clapping after a vowel. So we'll take a peek at those. Also, you're going to want to be listening for, is the vowel in the word saying its own name, long, or is it saying its short sound? So we'll be thinking about that. So in our first header that we have here in human, I'm going to clap that out, man. You hear that the clap comes right after the U in hue. So I'm going to put a break in there carefully. There we go. And when I say human, I know that that is a long vowel sound. So we know that that's going to go under the vowel, consonant vowel, because it was broken right after the vowel sound. And we know that that U is long. So our next header, we have never. I'm going to clap that out. Never. The first clap comes after the V. The E is a short sound. It says eh. So it's going to go under your vowel, consonant / vowel, because the vowel is short and we heard the clap after the consonant sound, after the V. And our last word, our last header, we have reason. I'm not sure why they didn't cut it up here, but I'm going to go ahead and do it. Because it's a long vowel sound, the E says its own name, we're cutting it after that second vowel because you see the E and the A together, which is making the E say its own name. It's two syllables and we hear the cut after the E sound, but the E and the A are partners. So when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So you're going to go through and you really need to say your words, clap them out, be listening to where the clap is. Is it after the vowel? Is it after the consonant? And is the vowel long or short? I'm looking through our words. I don't really see any words this week that you might have difficulty knowing the meaning of. So I think that you should be all set with that. If you do have a question, just pop your hand up and it's time to grab our scissors and start sorting. Happy sorting.